Hi guys, in front of me is Oukitel WP50 and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. At first open your phone dialer and roll keypad and let's start with the codes. The shortest one, the first one, is *pound or £6. Here we've got device information with both email and serial number included. So just tap on OK to exit. Another code that you can use is *pound *5 £. And here we've got the calendar info. So once you're logged in with your Google Calendar, iOS calendar, like whichever calendar that you have, that you only can think of, and then you've got it added to your device, all events will be displayed right here, right in front of you, so you'll be able to access them with this code only. And the last code that I want to show you today is *pound *426 £*. And here we've got FCM diagnostic mode. In this panel you can check events and status. And if you want to explore it a bit more, select more icon and choose advanced view. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.